Whosoever shall confess that Jesus is the Son of God, God dwelleth in him, and he in God. Jesus loved people others rejected, even people who rejected him. This is how God loves. God's greatest attribute is not his power, though it is omniscience, not his glory, though it is burning majesty, it is his love. God is love, and as pure love, he is always inclusive, and I believe that we should be, too. I now believe and trust that God gives us life, as an expression of love, and that the purpose of life is to grow in love. By the time kids are 5, I want them to know 3 things. God made me. God loves me. Jesus wants to be my friend forever. There's no place too dark for God's light to penetrate, and no heart too difficult to be set aflame by his love. It's easy to give our love to other things and people when we don't understand how deeply God loves us and wants us as his own. God, in his infinite wisdom, understands, loves, and cares for all of us. Having God's unconditional love does not mean you have God's unconditional approval. God loves you and offers a wonderful plan for your life. God loves you enough, loves me enough, loves all of us enough to say you get to run your life the way you choose. It was during the most difficult struggle of my life that I began to truly experience the depth of God's love, the strength of his peace. Christmas is the perfect time of the year to introduce your child to God's deep and marvelous love. The opposite of fear is love, so today, meditate on God's unconditional love for you, and watch fear leave your heart and life. Understand that God is always faithful in his love for you. Thus, to understand love, we must understand the one that is the source of true love, God. When you realize that you are deeply loved by God, it enables you to love deeply. God loves our children more than we do. We can trust him with them. God is love. He doesn't just stand for it. He is perfect example of what love is. Grandparents can be a beautiful reflection of God's generous love that grandchildren need and long for. Do not doubt that God holds you, and do not doubt for 1 minute that God loves you.